Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How is everything, my great students? Let's thanks to God today we still have chance to study English together. Today we will discuss about things around us. We will discuss about the things that you can find at your school. It is not always the things at your class, but everywhere at your school. Well, what are the things that you can find at your school? You can find scissors, ball, globe, book, and then ruler, and you can also find a pencil. Even you can find some laptops, and then you can find globe and many others. Well, why should you study this material? Let's we hope that you will be a person that always keep the tidiness of the things at your school, especially the things at your classroom. Because when everything is tidy, it will make you better when you study. Well, when you want to say about the things at your school, you must understand about what is singular form and plural form. Now we will study about singular form. Here's the way. Here are the way that you can use to say something in singular. Example, this is a book. That is a pencil. There is an eraser. There is a trash bin. You can use a or an to say something in singular. Well, now we will talk about plural form. When we talk about the plural form, here you can use this or those and followed by to be plural. Here you can use are. For examples, these are books. Those are pencils. There are 2 erasers. There are 3 trash bins. And then for the noun, you can add s after the noun, that it is in plural form. Well, now we will study about article. Article the. Here are the examples for using the. The book is green. The pencil is short. I buy the eraser. I put the trash bin in front of the classroom. We use the when we understand well or it is clearly which thing that we mean about is. We can use article the. Okay, now let's get focused about a, an, and the. A or an is used for indefinite singular noun. We put a before nouns that begin with consonant sounds. For example, a bicycle, a ruler, a globe, a university. We put an before nouns that begin with vowel sounds. A, I, U, E, O. For example, an eraser, an envelope, an hour. The is used for definite nouns. For example, the book is expensive. Well, after this, we will learn about how to form the plural noun. When we want to form from singular into plural noun, there are some rules there. How to form plural nouns. Okay. For the next, let's focus the rules for plural nouns. Most nouns add s to form plural. Nouns that end with s, ch, x, z, or s add es. Nouns end with vowel followed by y add s. Nouns end with consonant followed by y, change y to I and add es. Nouns that end with F or V change into F or V to VES. Nouns end with vowel followed by O at S, and noun and with consonant O we can add ES. Well, the next, after you focus for several pattern, here are the examples how to form singular noun to plural noun. For example, ruler change into rulers. Table becomes tables. Box we change into boxes. Bus into buses. Video we change into videos. Trophy we change into trophies. Lift we change into lifts. Knife we change into knives. Food we change it into feet. And then child we change it into children. Well, now what's the function when we want to know about the function of something? Here are the example. How is to ask a question? What is the scissors for? It is for cutting things. What is the function of broom? Its function is to sweep the floor. The pattern here, when we want to state about the function of something, the first pattern, it is for verb followed by ing. And then its function is to followed by base verb. So here you can use two pattern when you want to state about the function of the things, that you can find it at your school. Well, now is your turn. After you learn about some material, now your first turn, you can observe the following picture and you make 10 sentences based on the picture below. Remember, you can use your own words when you make the sentences. After you do the first exercise, of course, this is your second turn to do the exercise that it is still related to the material that you have learned before. What should you do on the second turn here? Well, you must observe the following pictures and explain the function of the following pictures. You can explain the function of bag, chair, globe, eraser, microscope. You can use one of the pattern that we have discussed before. Or if you want to use both of the pattern, it doesn't matter. Well, thanks for your like, subscribe, and comment. And I think our class for study English is enough for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for joining my class. Remember, master English, the word is in your hands. Show the world your biggest love for Indonesia. Well, see you later. I hope that we will meet again for the next chance to study English. Goodbye.